Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeur de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. I know it has been a while. Ça fait longtemps. It has been a while. And I want to thank you guys, for leaving messages, comments, ratings. You are terrific. Aujourd'hui, un épisode sur le verbe aimer. Today's episode is about how to use the verb aimer. Pourquoi? Why? Parce que en français, le verbe aimer veut dire deux choses. Well, because in French we use aimer to say I like or I love, and I want to make sure if you like someone's shoes, you're not saying I'm in love with your shoes. As usual, head to the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com for the free transcript. You don't need to sign up, it's there and it's for you. Are you ready to speak French? Alors, le verbe aimer. You use le verbe aimer when you are in love. You use it about someone. It goes like this. J'aime, I love. Tu aimes, you love. Il aime, he loves. Elle aime, she loves. Nous aimons, we love. Vous aimez, you love. Ils aiment, they love. Elles aiment, they love. You notice that Z sound, you do have to say it the same way. Nous aimons, vous aimez. And you notice I say, il aime, he loves. Elle aime, she loves. D'accord? Allez, on répète ensemble. J'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Super! So, now you know how to use the verb aimer as in love with. Alors, comment on va faire pour dire apprécier, to like? To say that you like something, you use the verb aimer and you add bien after, such as j'aime bien. J'aime bien means I like. J'aime bien. J'aime bien. Tu aimes bien. Il aime bien. Elle aime bien. Nous aimons bien. Vous aimez bien. Ils aiment bien. Elles aiment bien. Allez, on répète ensemble? Ensemble. J'aime bien. Tu aimes bien. Il aime bien. Elle aime bien. Nous aimons bien. Vous aimez bien. Ils aiment bien. Elles aiment bien. Voilà. Maintenant, vous connaissez la différence. Here you go. Now you know the difference. Allez, un peu de pratique? Alors, to say, I like your shoes. At the beginning, I told you, right? Make sure not to say, I'm in love with your shoes. So, we're going to use j'aime bien. J'aime bien. J'aime bien tes chaussures. I like your shoes. Now let's say that there's someone you know and she likes this cafe, right? She likes going to that cafe. She likes the place. So we're going to use aimer bien. Elle aime bien ce café. Elle aime bien ce café. Now let's say that you want to switch to feelings, right? And now you want to talk about someone and he's in love with Sophie. He loves Sophie. So we're going to say il aime Sophie. Il aime Sophie. And of course, it's a bit of a special week. So if you need to say I love you, you can say je t'aime. Je t'aime. I love you. Je t'aime. Not je t'aime. As usual, you can go on a website where you'll find the free transcript. You don't need to sign up. And I want to tell you that I am launching a new online workshop. Yes, so you can prepare. Maybe you're planning to go to France. Maybe you just want to get your French to a different level. That workshop is there to build your confidence. And you can trust me because I've been making this podcast for 6 years. I have taught French to hundreds of students, if not thousands, and I have taught French for thousands of hours. So I know where the struggle and the point is. So I want to build your confidence. So to thank you and to be one of his founding students, there is a wait list that you can join. You don't need to take your credit cards and pay up front, but you can join the wait list and you're going to make sure that you will lock in the special price. So head to the website to sign up. And as I said, the sign up is just to make sure you want to secure a spot. I am putting the final touches on that workshop, so you're not going to be disappointed. It's going to be with listening, speaking. It's going to be a fun course that will take you all over France to learn on pronunciation, to feel confident. Not your textbook French. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. And since you made it until now, you know, if nobody has told you this week, and I know it's a bit of a special week, you're terrific. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Et si personne ne l'a dit, tu es génial. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.